Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the Maxwidth attribute of CSS. So why getting late? Let's get started. First, I'm taking two divs and para 1. I'm taking Lorem's 10 20 words and another div para 2 and now you're gonna style it. Don't forget to give the dot. I'm giving the margin auto here too. Sorry, this is a mistake. So I'm giving a PR here. So you can see a line break here. So I'm giving the width and max width. With 400 pixel for first div and max width 400 pixel for second div. So you can see the difference between these two boxes. The end line is not showing here. This is there is a space making here, and it's responsive to, you can see it. After 400 pixel it will automatically show. I'm just making it 300 pixel, and you can see the gap here. This is you can't see a gap in this box. So this is the difference between max width and width, normal width. So we'll continue in our next video. Thanks for watching.